But this is a fissure, see the big one here? So like this would be the orientation. Okay. So anterior median fissure. Now when you're looking at the cord in the other room that we've isolated, you're looking at the posterior median sulcus, because we're going from the back in. This is from the front end. See? Okay. So let's see. What's the end of the cord called? Conus medullaris, okay? And the little bit of pia mater that extends beyond, and don't say anything yet?
Save us, please.
No,
The
no.
horse's tail.
No, that's
No.
this whole thing.
Equina.
No, that's this whole thing. I'm asking about the pia mater.
The Piedmont.
The epidurals.
What are you asking about it?
The name of it.
Is it the ligaments or the ventricular ligaments? No.
Yeah, that's on
No,
the
that's
side.
the
Nope.
triangles.
Phylum terminology. Phylum terminology. Now, she's in another class. What about my class, okay?
It holds the.
I think I
spinal
had
cord
covered
in
this
place.
before. And what are the, what is this called?
Cauda
Drew?
equina.
Cauda equina. Everybody knows the cauda equina, which means horse's tail. And what is it? Is it nerves? Is it roots? Or what is it?
Roots.
Roots. Sensory and motor roots before they come out to join up to form these roots here, to form the spinal nerve. Okay. Now, is this sensory and motor right here?
It's motor.
Anterior,
The spinal
anterior.
becomes
Sensory
motor.
posterior.
It's anterior, so it's
Anterior, so
sensory.
it's motor.
No.
Motors
motor.
and-
Motor.
Motor's anterior.
Sensory is posterior.
Oh, yeah.
Those are the motor rootlets, right? Anterior motor
Yeah, this
rootlets.
is a
Right.
frontal, yeah.
So this is the back, which is the dorsal root ganglion, which you see here, the sort of pinky area, I think, okay?
Oh, that's a bit spicy.
And then they join together to form the spinal nerve. For just a short time in the intervertebral foramen. Anybody know what this is?
Yes.
I'm going to see if somebody else says something though. I'd like to see somebody else say something. I know I've covered this, which is really frustrating to me,
You have, teacher has not done any of this.
that I have. Andrew, do you want to say?
I've had a receipt from here.
Okay.
Sympathetic chain ganglion, also called a sympathetic trunk or paravertebral.
That's right. Can you switch to my class? Make me look so bad. Okay, paravertebral ganglia from the sympathetic, chain ganglia. It should go up higher, but this part broke off, and somebody threw it away, unfortunately, before I had a chance to put it back on. Okay, and what are these little blue things that look like little triangles here?
Ventricular ligament.
Denticulate ligaments, okay. So the pia mater is going to become the phylum terminale. It's going to join with the dura mater to form what?
Epidural space. No.
I'll take a guess. I'll take a guess. The epinurium?
No,
Is it the same as in the brain?
nope. This is a coccygeal ligament.
Oh.
And it holds the cord down here so it doesn't bounce up and down. The denticulate ligaments hold it so it doesn't go back and forth.
So the coccygeal ligament also holds it down along with the filum terminale. Is the filum terminale anchored down too?
Yeah, they combine to form the coccygeal ligament.
Okay.
But otherwise they end at S2. And then but then they join up to form the coccygeal ligament. Okay. What plexus is associated with the, the cervical plexus is associated with which muscle?
The sternocleidomastoid.
Right, okay. And this plexus is which plexus?
Brachial.
What's missing from it here? And there should be 5 nerves I gave you, right?
Oh, yeah.
So, why don't we take the ones that are here? What's this one? This is M, see? No?
Muscular
Muscular cutaneous. And that serves the flexors of the elbow. Which ones are those?
Ulnar, radial.
No.
Oh, okay.
Muscles.
Okay, the nerve. Oh,
Muscles.
Biceps.
Brachii, the brachioradialis and the brachialis. But not the brachioradialis. The brachialis, the biceps brachii, and the coracobrachialis. Not the brachioradialis, because that hangs out with those extensors muscles and is serviced by the same nerve that serves them. Okay, what's the one in the middle column? Median. And that serves flexors of the wrist and hand, okay? And that's the one that's caught in the carpal tunnel sometimes. And what's this little one here? Ulnar, okay? Right near the median upper condyle, a little bit lateral, so it gets hit, and that's being hit by in the funny bone, okay? What are these called? Intercostal nerves, okay? And the last one's really subcostal, technically. T1 is actually part of this brachial plexus, and it goes to which muscle? Do you know? It's often damaged in or can be damaged in mastectomies.
Isthmus dorsal?
No? Serratus anterior. And because of that, you can't hold your scapula in, and you get something called winging of the scapula. That was part of your lab one time. Okay. What plexus is associated, what muscle is this, first of all? Psoas major, and what plexus is associated with it? Lumbar plexus. What are the two major nerves of the lumbar plexus? Femoral and obturator.
Yeah, obturator.
Oh, better hide. By the way, I forgot the radial nerve here. What is a radial nerve not shown here? An axillary nerve, right? Those are the other two nerves not shown here. Axillary serves what?
The shoulder, right? The deltoid.
Deltoid and teres minor. What does the radial serve?
The flex.
You've done all the flexors, extensors. And if you damage it, you get wrist drop, okay? So what does the femoral serve?
The biceps. Or
Quadriceps, okay? And the obturator serves the
hamstrings.
no, adductors. Okay. On the sacral plexus on the other side, it serves the all the posterior part of the lower limb. There's two branches really. What are they? Tibial and common peroneal. Tibial serves most of the hamstrings, except for that short end of the biceps. But also, what else does it serve? What you wouldn't expect.
The
Posterior compartment of the leg. Okay. And then the common peroneal serves the anterior and lateral compartments. Okay. How is a femoral nerve damaged usually?
Is that where it's in that little triangle?
Stab?
Stabbing, or gunshot. Okay. What about the obturator? Childbirth. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So that's this model pretty well. Okay.